Good morning, dear students. Now, today I am going to start activity 2. Let's start the definition of odd and even numbers. Even numbers, all the numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. What is odd numbers? All the numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. These are all the odd numbers. Then prime number and composite numbers. What is prime numbers? A number greater than 1 which has only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Here the prime numbers are given up to 100. These are all the prime numbers up to 100. And 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. This you should remember, students, that 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Now composite numbers. A number greater than 1 which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. For examples, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. These are the composite numbers. Now children, remember 4 is the smallest composite number. And the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. We can say 1 is a unique number. Now the twin primes. 2 prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin primes. There is a composite number between the twin primes. For example, 3 and 5. The difference is 5 minus 3, that is 2. The difference between them is 2. And there is a composite number between the twin prime number, that is 4, and 4 is the composite number. Now this example 5 and 7, the difference is 2, and in between a composite number is there, that is 6. So these two numbers are twin prime numbers. For next example, 11 and 13, the next 29 and 31. These are the examples of twin prime numbers. Now co-prime numbers, 2 numbers with only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are not necessarily prime numbers. Or this point you remember, any 2 consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Consecutive means lagatar. 4 and 5, these 2 numbers are co-prime numbers. 5 and 11, these 2 numbers are co-prime numbers. 18 and 23 are co-prime numbers. We start activity 2. Which of the following are even numbers? Now check. 16 is the even number. It is a multiple of 2. Then you see 38 is an even number. 44 is an even number. 48 is an even number. Then 68 is an even number. Then 84, then 92. These are all even numbers. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको याद रखना है कि इवन नंबर्स कौन से होंगे. नंबर को देखते ही हम पता कर लें तो जिनकी वंस प्लेस पर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ये डिजिट आए वो नंबर इवन नंबर होगा. So for example, 96 is an even number because in ones place the digit is 6. ये जो मैंने वंस प्लेस की डिजिट बताई है, इसकी डिजिट यहाँ पे आ रही है, सो दिस नंबर इज एन इवन नंबर. इफ दिस डिजिट कम्स इन वंस प्लेस, देन वी से दैट नंबर इज द इवन नंबर. Now question number 2, list all the prime numbers between 10 and 30. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These all are the prime numbers between 10 and 30. The remaining part, you can solve it. Then question number 3, which of the following numbers are prime? Now you remember the definition of prime. A number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. So 5 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, then 41, then 79, 83 and 97. These are all the prime numbers. Question number 4, which of the following pairs of numbers are twin primes? Now you remember the definition of twin primes. A number which difference is 2. 5 and 7 are the twin prime numbers. Then this 71 and 73 are twin prime numbers. The difference these two numbers is 2. 73 minus 71, that is 2. Question number 6, which of the following are co-prime numbers? Again you remember the definition of co-prime numbers. Two numbers with only one as the common factors. Now you choose among all these which pair is co-prime numbers. Here B and C. Here B and C are co-prime numbers. These two numbers are co-prime numbers which has only one as the common factor, and these two pair of numbers are co-prime numbers, also one as the common factor between these two numbers.